Ever wondered if someone could just snatch your data right out of the air? It sounds like science fiction, but with Wi-Fi, it's closer to reality than you think. Let's break down how hackers can use Wi-Fi waves to steal your information. Imagine you're at a coffee shop, browsing online. Your phone sends out tiny invisible signals, Wi-Fi waves, to the router. These waves are like little messengers carrying your data, from the cat video you're watching to your credit card details when you shop. Normally, this is a private conversation between your device and the router. But what if someone else is listening in? This is where hackers come in. They can set up what's called a rogue access point. It might look just like the coffee shop's real Wi-Fi, maybe with a name like Free Coffee Wi-Fi. When you connect to it, you're not talking to the legitimate router anymore. You're sending all your data directly to the hacker's device. It's like accidentally mailing your private letters to a stranger instead of your friend. The hacker's device then passes your request to the real internet, so everything seems normal to you. But in the background, they're capturing every single piece of data you send and receive. Another common method is called a man-in-the-middle attack. Here, the hacker cleverly inserts themselves between you and the real Wi-Fi router. They intercept the signals your device sends. Think of it like a spy intercepting messages between two generals. Even if you're connected to the legitimate network, the hacker can capture your data as it travels through the air. They can then read your emails, see your passwords, and track your browsing activity. So how do they actually read this data? Unsecured Wi-Fi networks send information in plain text. A hacker using a simple packet sniffing tool can easily read it, just like reading an open postcard. This software captures the packets of data flying through the air and reassembles them. Even on a secured network, you're not completely safe. Hackers can use sophisticated techniques to crack the password. Once they're on the same network, they can try to exploit vulnerabilities in your devices to gain access. They might also try to trick you into visiting a fake website, a technique called phishing that looks identical to your bank's or your email login page. You enter your credentials, and boom, they have them. Now, this all sounds pretty scary, right? But don't worry, there are simple, powerful ways to protect yourself. First, always be cautious with public Wi-Fi. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts like banking or email. If you must use public Wi-Fi, use a VPN, a virtual private network. A VPN creates a secure, encrypted tunnel for your data, making it unreadable to anyone trying to snoop. It's like putting your digital postcards into a locked metal box before sending them. At home, make sure your Wi-Fi network has a strong, unique password and uses the latest security protocol, which is usually WPA3 or WPA2. Change the default name and password that came with your router. Also, keep your devices and software updated. Those updates often include crucial security patches that fix the very vulnerabilities hackers try to exploit. So, while hackers can be clever, being a little bit smarter about your digital habits can make all the difference. Stay aware, stay secure, and you can browse with peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on staying safe online.